questions you should be able to answer by the end of this video. Number 1, what is reactivity in an atom? Number 2, what makes some atoms more reactive than others? And number 3, how can you tell how reactive an element is using the periodic table? Reactivity in an atom is how likely an atom is to react and bond with another atom. And this bond is directly related to valence electrons. What makes some atoms more reactive than others? Atoms react because they don't have a full outer shell. The number of valence electrons they have in their outer shell tells us how reactive they will be with other atoms. The periodic table is set up in groups that tell you the number of valence electrons, so it's already organized for you. Atoms are happiest when their outer shell is full. A full outer shell will have 8 valence electrons in it. If an atom has a full outer shell, they are super happy and not very reactive at all. Do you remember what group on the periodic table has 8 valence electrons in their outer shell? Group 18. These elements are known as the noble gases, and they are the least reactive group on the entire table. They are perfectly happy with their full outer shell and don't need to react with anyone. The group right next to them is a completely different story. Group 17, known as the halogens, are super desperate to grab an electron from anything it can get close to. They only need one more, and it's driving them crazy. One of the most reactive elements in this group is chlorine. It would take an electron from your sweet old grandma if she got too close. Its desperation for happiness makes it a dangerous element to be around, so beware. Atoms that don't have a full outer shell are reactive. Depending on how many electrons they need, their reactivity varies. Let's recap and make sure you can tell how reactive an element is by the periodic table. Groups 1 and 17 are highly reactive, so all the elements in these groups would react quickly and sometimes violently to get their full outer shells. Groups 2 through 12 and 16 are very reactive. Not quite as much as groups 1 and 17, but they are still pretty reactive. Groups 13 through 15 are moderately reactive, and group 18 is the least reactive group on the table. They have that envious full outer shell, so they don't bother with the other elements. That's all for today, folks. See you tomorrow.